Hello, another day, another vlog of property. For sale by the owner, 177 ang lot area with old structure to demolish. I'm here at 12 Avenue, East Grace Park, Caloocan City. Frontage of less than 10 meters. With lot orientation of south. Ayan po, ang gaganda na ng mga katabi, oh, halos ano na, no, mga residential office establishment na po ang nandiyan. 1 minute away from EDSA Biglang Awa, 7 minutes away from SM Grand Central, a few step from St. Mary's Academy and Notre Dame of Caloocan. Ayan po yung mga nakapaligid sa property. Ayan po yung passage ng property. Hindi po ako direct dyan. May isang nakadirect kasi yung hawak ko dati sa 9th Avenue sold out na. Kaya naghanap na po ako ng bagong property. Ayan po ayan po. 177 square meter. Yan. Ayan na po, nasa EDSA na po ako. Yan, ang ganda, no? 1 minute away from EDSA lang po yung property. Makapag-ugnayan lang po sa akin na direct buyer only. Again, direct buyer only, direct buyer only. Magpa-site viewing po kayo by schedule. Bye from now!